So, students, today the poem which we are going to read and listen is Bird Talk. Students, don't you think that it is very interesting to know about what birds are talking with each other? So, let's read and enjoy this very interesting poem. Bird Talk. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay, sitting in the garden, talking one day. Think about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. They don't eat beetles. They don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wires and things. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Are not people funny to be that way?